development of autonomous vehicles. Self-driving cars rely heavily on AI algorithms to perceive their surroundings, make decisions, and navigate safely. This technology has the potential to revolutionize transportation. In manufacturing, AI-powered robots are working alongside human workers to assemble products with greater precision and speed. This collaboration between humans and machines is boosting productivity and creating new opportunities in the industry. These real-world applications demonstrate the tangible impact AI is having on the engineering profession. By automating tasks and providing valuable insights, AI is helping engineers work smarter, not harder. Section 4. Engineers not obsolete, the human edge. Despite the impressive capabilities of AI, it's important to remember that engineers are not being replaced. Human engineers possess unique skills and qualities that AI cannot replicate. Creativity, critical thinking, and problem-solving abilities are essential for tackling complex engineering challenges. Engineers also bring to the table a deep understanding of ethical considerations and societal impact. They are responsible for designing solutions that are not only technically sound, but also safe, sustainable, and beneficial to humanity. The ability to adapt to changing circumstances and learn from experience is another crucial aspect of engineering. While AI systems can be trained on vast data sets, they often struggle with novel situations that fall outside their training data. Human engineers, on the other hand, can draw on their intuition, experience, and knowledge to come up with innovative solutions to unforeseen problems. This adaptability is what sets human engineers apart in a rapidly changing world. Section 5. The future is collaborative. AI and engineers working together. The future of engineering is not about AI replacing humans. It's about AI and humans working together to achieve greater heights. AI can be seen as a powerful tool that augments human capabilities. By embracing AI, engineers can enhance their productivity, creativity, and problem-solving abilities. Imagine engineers leveraging AI to analyze massive datasets and identify trends that would otherwise go unnoticed. Or picture AI-powered design tools that help engineers explore thousands of design possibilities in a matter of minutes. The key to success lies in embracing lifelong learning and adapting to the evolving technological landscape. Engineers who are willing to embrace AI and acquire new skills will be well-positioned for success in the future job market. By fostering a collaborative mindset and embracing the potential of AI, engineers can shape a future where technology empowers human ingenuity and drives progress for the benefit of all.